Hi, Jim Barta here from DeWalt. I'm here today with Acme Tools. Today we're going to be discussing two new exciting additions to our FLEXVOLT 60-volt chainsaw family. First off, we're going to be talking about our 18-inch 60-volt platform. This guy is a part number DCCS672. This unit features an 18-inch low kickback bar and chain. It has a high-efficiency brushless motor. That motor produces about 2.7 horsepower, 2,000 watts out. Equivalent to a roughly 40 cc gas-powered unit. That efficient motor produces 125% more torque than a similar 40 cc gas unit, enabling you to cut a 17-inch white oak log in as fast as 25 seconds. This model also features some additional features and benefits, including your chain lock. It also has a tooled tensioning bar with onboard storage for your tool. It has metal bucking spikes on the side for better grab while cutting. Unit weighs in at just over 11.1 pounds. Comes either bare tool or kitted with a 9 amp hour FLEXVOLT battery. These guys are out and available right now. Next up, we have our 20-inch chainsaw. That would be a model number DCCS677. This unit features our 20-inch low kickback bar and chain. It is roughly a 4 horsepower unit that puts out 3,000 watts of power, or equivalent to a 50 cc gas unit. This unit, that power enables you to cut a 17-inch piece of white oak in as fast as 15 seconds. It gives you about 143% more torque than that 50 cc gas unit. Some of the additional features on this unit: it has the metal bucking spikes on it on both sides. It has your chain brake. Again, it has the tooled chain tensioning device with onboard storage. This model weighs in bare tool at 12.6 pounds roughly. Comes either bare tool or two different kitting options. You can get either with a 12 amp hour FLEXVOLT battery or a 15 amp hour FLEXVOLT battery. Another additional feature on this unit, if you buy it as a kit, is you get a nice little handy dandy hard case carrying unit. This unit will be available separately as well for storage of your additional, if you have additional chainsaws as well. Both chain and bar replacements are available for both the 20-inch model and the 18-inch model. Thanks again. That covers our new 60-volt, 18-inch, and 20-inch chainsaws. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to acmetools.com or one of their 10 brick and mortar locations. Acme Tools, do your best work.